to my channel. Today's video we have a battery organizer slash storage area by Engpow. So the shipping was extremely fast. It came in 1-day shipping on Amazon. I'll throw a link up in the description like always. So let's kind of get into this real quick. So it comes in this bag, and then yeah, so let's throw it to the side. So this one retails for like under $30, I believe. It's really good and expensive. Before we get into the actual product, we're gonna look at the outside of it before we look in the inside. So as you can see, it has a nice material on the bottom. It has a nice grip, so you won't be letting it slide around or whatever, wherever you're putting it. This is fireproof and waterproof material, so it will not be exploding batteries in there or whatever. So let's go ahead and open this. It has a zipper here, and yeah, so I already put 2 batteries in here just for show, but you take out these things right here, and then you can make more room. So we're gonna do that in a second. We're gonna take out each and every one of them. But up here in this top compartment section here, we have a battery tester, which is really useful, really good that they included this. It comes with everyone's, so it's really good. You basically put the positive on the bottom, negative on top, and then you just align it with the prongs there, and then you can test to see if it's good, low, or if it's basically a dead battery. So it's very useful. Before you throw out any batteries, just check them. I'm not sure if it's accurate, but I'm pretty sure it is because I tested these 2. These were both good, and then I tested a few other ones and they were dead. So we're gonna go ahead and take out every single one of these. We're gonna do a time lapse, and then we're gonna come back real quick. Alright, I finally finished after like 10 minutes. There's a big mess here, so let me clean it up real quick and then I'll come back. Alright, finally I'm done. So on the inside, when you remove it, I recommend removing it and then pushing them out, and then it's just easier. Hold up, there's 2 more. Alright, so it has a TPU, basically like a outline of plastic to make it in this like form, so it just stays in this form, I guess. But anyways, here's the product. It's really nice. This is high quality full foam. You can put a ton of double A's. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, you can put 66 double A's. And then right here you could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think that's 14 by 4. So like what? Like 56 right here, I'm pretty sure. And then right here you can put 10 of these batteries, and then another 10, I think. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, another 10 right here. So you could put over, I believe, 300 batteries, 200 to 300 batteries in here, which is really cool. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this goes somewhere around here. Not too sure exactly how. I think it goes either like this and then it closes. Either way it fits, yeah. So this is where the battery checker goes. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, you can put a ton of batteries. This is fireproof, this is explosion proof, it's waterproof. I highly recommend it because it really looks nice, it's high quality, and I'm not going to test it out of the fireproof, but I am going to keep this. This is really cool. Normally I just sometimes give away the products that I review, sell them or whatever, but this product is actually pretty good, not gonna lie. I do have a link in the description to buy this. I highly recommend you to buy it because it's better, it's more safe to put batteries in here than to just store them in a container, because explosions can happen and your house could catch on fire. It's a possibility. You don't want to take those risks. Buy this, invest a little bit of money into something like this, you'll be good. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Shout out to Engpow for sending this out for me to review. It has really fast shipping. I'm very surprised it only took 1 day, like I said. And it's an overall really good product. It looks nice, it feels good. It has it's like a briefcase style, so it looks really cool. And it's good for batteries. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe for more videos just like this. It'll help me out a lot. It'll help the channel out a lot. I would like to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm about halfway there. So if you can share this with everyone that you know to help me get to 1K, it'll be really good. Very appreciated. Thank you for watching.